Hello friends, and welcome to the EVERCROSS official channel. I'm Ray. Today I will guide you through the installation of our new flagship product, the EK15. Don't worry, by following my steps, you'll find the setup incredibly straightforward. The official guide will be with you every step of the way to ensure a smooth and hassle-free assembly process. Now, let's get started. Your setup is complete. Before your first ride, remember to check the tire pressure and ensure the battery is fully charged. For any questions, visit our official store. Thanks for watching and see you on the road.